How's it, everyone? So I just wanted to show you the beauty of having the correct equipment to do the job. So I've got this Polo 1.2 TDR that has got some lots of this customer has already got a quote. You can see all of those lights are staying on. So now the problem is that in this car it's got a thing called a diesel particulate filter. Now the filter gets blocked over time and then you're supposed to either clean it or regenerate it, but a lot of times the process is so expensive that it's cheaper just to remove the DPF material and then do software on the car in order to do a DPF delete. So for this customer, he's already taken out the DPF material by himself, so I'm just going to do the software and we're going to add a bit of power extra. So I've got it strapped down on the dyno with it as it is, so I'm going to do a run and let's see how much power it makes as it is now stock. Right, so what I'm going to do now is I just have to determine the gear ratio. Let's just first, most important thing, turn off the traction control. Okay. Just to get it to 3,000, yeah. Okay, now it's basically locked in. Okay, so basically now I've just determined the gear ratio of the car, and now I'm going to do a run to see what is the actual stock power. Right, so I'm just going to put in the test parameters here. Test 001, and then we'll get to start at 2,000 and we'll just rev to 4,000. Okay. Right, so basically now we're just going to do a quick run just so we've got before power graph, so once we do the upgrade file we can see the before and after. Because of it having a DPF fault, it can't even rev to 4,000. So let me just reset the RPM a bit lower and then we'll see. Alright, so this is the before run, 41 kilowatts and 153 Newton meters. So basically now I'll just reset the ECU faults and do another run, see if it picks up any power, and then we'll load the file. Okay, so if I erase the fault comes back straight away, so the car's not going to make any more power. So it is probably a little bit less than stock, but now we're going to get the laptop and then we will download the car's file and modify it and load it back to the car, and then all the lights on the dash should be off. Alright, so I have done the upgrade file with the DPF delete. I've still got it on the dyno. I'm gonna do a run now and let's see how much power extra it got. A little bit of RK spice. You can see already the DPF light is off. Well, let me start the test. Right. Alright, look at that power increase. Look at the torque. Look at how much torque this car has gained. So you can see that is quite a huge improvement from what the customer had before. Obviously the car was sort of in limp mode because of the DPF, but you can see it's already more than 150 Newton meters torque more than what he had when he came in here. So if you've got a DPF problem, you want a little bit more power, give me a call at Redline. I can help you. Redline out.